Good morning, dear students. The topic that we will discuss today are prime numbers, composite numbers, odd and even numbers, test for divisibility of numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have two factors, 1 and that number itself. That is, prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by only 1 and that number itself. Some examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. All these numbers are divisible by 1 and that number itself. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more factors other than 1 and that number itself. Let's take an example, 15. Now factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So here other than 1 and 15, 15 is divisible by 3 and 5 also. So 15 is a composite number. Now try to write all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Now the next topic, odd and even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2 and odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. If the last digit of a large number is even, then the whole number will be even. And if the last digit of a large number is odd, then the whole number is odd. The next topic is test for divisibility of numbers. There are some patterns which make it easy for us to check if a large number is divisible by a certain number or not. First, we will test the divisibility of numbers by 2. If the last digit of a number is an even number, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Let's take an example. 6298. The last digit of this number is 8. 8 is an even number. So this whole number is divisible by 2. But in the next number, the last digit is 3, which is an odd number. That is why this number is not divisible by 2. Next is divisibility by 3. If sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Let's look at an example. 7221. The digits of these numbers are 7, 2, 2 and 1. Now if you add them, the answer will be 12. Now 12 is divisible by 3. So we can say that this whole number is divisible by 3. Now let's take another example. 6311. In this number the digits are 6, 3, 1 and 1. Now if you add them, the answer will be 11. Now 11 is not divisible by 3. Hence 6311, that is 6311, will not be divisible by 3. Now the next one, divisibility of a number by 5. If the last digit of a number is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. For example, 5295. In this number the last digit is 5. You will see that this whole number is divisible by 5. Next example, 6730. This number also have the last digit 0, which is also divisible by 5. Now the next is divisibility by 10. If the last digit of a number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, 29,500 have the last digit 0, so this whole number is divisible by 10. Next is divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6 also. For example, 102. This number is divisible by 2 because the last digit is an even number. Again, this number is divisible by 3 also. As sum of the digits is divisible by 3, hence 102 is divisible by 6. But 63 is a number which is divisible only by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, that is divisible by 3. So 63 is divisible by 3. But as the last digit is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. Hence 63 is not divisible by 6. Again, 32 is a number which is divisible by 2 as the last digit is even number. But it is not divisible by 3 as if you add them, the sum is not divisible by 3. So 32 is not divisible by 3. Hence 32 is not divisible by 6 also. Divisibility by 4. In a number which has more than 2 digits, if the number made by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For example, 23,524 is a number made up of more than 2 digits. Now as the rule says, you will have to take the number made up of last 2 digits. Here, the number made up of last 2 digits is 24, and we know 24 is divisible by 4. Hence, this whole number is divisible by 4. Now the next one is divisibility by 8. In a number with more than 3 digits, if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. For example, in 73,512, the number formed by last 3 digits is 512. You will see that 512 is divisible by 8. Hence, this whole number is divisible by 8. Next is divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. For example, 7254. If you add the digits of the number, you will get 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9, so this whole number is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. Find the sum of digits placed in odd places from the right and sum of digits placed in even places from the right. Then subtract them. If the result is 0 or multiple of 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Now let's take an example. 61,809. It is a 5-digit number. Now from the right side put the places of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As you can see here, the digits placed in odd places are 9, 8 and 6. So now find sum of these digits. Then find the sum of the digits placed in evens place, that is 0 and 1. Now subtract them. Now the result is a multiple of 11, that is it is divisible by 11. So this whole number is divisible by 11. This is it for today, students. I hope this video helped you. Now try to solve the problems given in exercise 3.2 and 3.3. Solutions will be given later. Thank you.